Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Ty. Yo, so I'm at Disneyland right now, right? And I mean, you already know your boy got to be banging out this content back to back to back. So let's just talk about like getting out your own way. You know what I'm saying? Well, really accomplishing your goals and just the freedom to do whatever you want to do. You know what I mean? I think what's dope about Forex at least is it really allows somebody like me to just do whatever the fuck it is that I want. So what I mean is like some days I wake up and I just don't feel like doing shit. And I literally don't do shit at all. You know what I mean? Or some days, well, you know, even when it comes to like the food and stuff, I know I'm gonna get all copyrighted because the Disney music, but even when it comes to food, like, you know, I feel like it's dope because you don't really have to like, you know, limit yourself. You feel me? Some people, they limit themselves. They only want to eat certain things on the menu and shit like that. But I don't know. I feel like shit, you know, it's dope to eat from the right side of the menu, the good side of the menu. Fucking Disney speakers all around. Like I was in here really trying to, I guess, come up with like a dope little spot to make a dope video. But then like everywhere I go, they got like Disney speakers everywhere. So it kind of been like fucking the whole video. I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna get copyrighted. But at this point, like I don't really care, right? So let's just talk about focus. And I guess staying focused, I feel like it's really hard to stay focused because for one, like I said, so many things that distract you, right? Like you get distracted just by life itself. Sometimes it's like hard to stay focused on your goals because some shit in life may come up with your family or your friends or shit, anything, you know what I mean? So it kind of knocks you off your goal. Maybe you thought that you were gonna go somewhere and then boom, you run into traffic, you know what I'm saying? So how to get around the traffic areas is, you know, really you have to know it goes with the flow. So all of that shit comes with it. You wanna get to the next level, you really gonna have to fight through that traffic, you feel me? So how you fight through the traffic is you got to be smart about it, right? So these are the steps that I take when it's like, when I start feeling like, oh man, I'm stuck at this certain point and I want to get to the next level. So the first thing I do is I recognize where I'm at, right? I recognize it and it's like, okay, boom, this is what it is. This is where you at. This is where you're stuck. The second thing I do is work on that shit and try to work through it. Like if I encounter a problem, I'm gonna work through the problem until it's done. I'm not gonna get distracted by anything else because nothing else matters except handling whatever it is or whatever task it is at hand so you can move to the next one. And, you know, that's what it is with the focus. I feel like it's just hard because, like, man, you get distracted by something. Like, let's say, you're focused, boom, you're on a certain path, then you get derailed. And now you're focusing on the shit that, derailed you and you're not focusing on the big picture. But you got to be a big picture player. You know what I'm saying? All the time. Even right now, like I said, I'm just knocking out content. I'm at Disneyland, feel me? California Adventure. No rides and shit is really up right now, but I feel like it's a dope little place. And really the only thing that's open in Cali right now is like Disney, the beaches, the malls and stuff. So really just been frequently going to that. My traveling schedule has been getting crazy. So later on this year, you guys will get to see like some of the dope ass trips that I take, that I have planned. I really feel like, when you start seeing them around the world and just engaging and interacting with, more people, you be like, oh man, creative Ty, you feel me? But just, on the premise of focus and staying focused and, getting and growing to that next level. You feel me? Nigga, so it's a trash can right here. Shorty walked all the way here to this trash can like it wasn't right here. People be doing that all the time, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, focus, you can't get derailed. You got to just keep doing your thing. You got to keep shit pushing forward. Even when the world try to distract you, you know what I'm saying? You got to keep pushing forward, keep making it through. And that's really how to do it. So like, even with me, sometimes I get distracted. Like even when I was creating this album, there was times when I would get like writer's block or it would just be hard for me to move forward because it's like, damn, I listen to a beat, I'm like, fuck, this not the beat right here. And then you flipping through beats and, different producers are sending shit and stuff like that. And then, when they finally actually get to that level, then it's like now she's using that trash can. You know what I'm saying? But like when they finally get to that level, then it's like, oh man, okay, I worked through the problem. Now I can get to that next song. Now I can get to the next thing. And I use that as an example because, that's just some recent shit that I went through to where I had writer's block and for a whole fucking week, I can't get a damn song out. So I'm fighting with myself like, man, why can't I write this song? Niggas smoking, you feel me? Because usually I smoke about like 2-3 blunts a day, but these are big fat blunts. So if you're talking grams, I'm thinking 3.5s in each one. So I'm almost at like, shit. Damn, when you think about it, like 7 grams a day almost, something like that, with weed consumption. So after I'm smoking and going through my grams and I finally get through my problems, it's like, okay, now I figured out how to scale and, work through that. So, how you can apply this to just the stuff that you're doing, your life goals and, stuff like that. It's like when shit get rocky, right? When shit get rocky and shit get rough, how to focus, like I said, stay focused by working through that shit. Like it's going to happen. Distractions are going to come. You know, you want to be a millionaire. That shit sounds good, but then the distractions are gonna come. People gonna start doubting you. Shit, you know, your friends gonna start doubting you. Your family gonna start doubting you. I say when the doubt creeps in, you start cutting all that shit off. That's how you gonna make it to the next level. It's like shit. Like a lot of people gonna tell you what you can and can't do. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like fuck it. Like really fuck what people think, because most of the time, feel me, all they're doing is imposing what it is that they couldn't do on you. So if you feel like, oh man, you know, you can go this far, and then somebody comes and tells you, you're like, oh well, you know, maybe you can't do that because, and they start imposing all the limits and shit. You know what I'm saying? So how you work through the limits is like, you just stop listening to those type of folks. You only listen to your mind. You know what I'm saying? Listen to your first mind, because your first mind gonna really shit help you get to that next level, help you grow, help you go. You know what I'm saying? Help you go up. So really, like I said, I'm gonna be dropping dope little videos like these. I don't really care about the whole copyright shit. I just want to get some dope ass content out. We at fucking Disney right now. Got me and Queen over there, or wherever that over there. She was on the phone just chilling and shit. So I'm like, you know what, fuck it, let me knock out a little video, because like my goal was to really be on YouTube posting, you know, posting a few times a day. Like I don't know, I looked at the algorithm and shit like that, but to me, I don't really care. I want to create the content that I want to make. So that's what I'm on right now, and that's what it's gonna be for the rest of the time that I'm doing YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like you kind of just got to stay focused on, like I said, your goals. I feel like the audience started to try to create its own, you know, version of who Ty was, but nigga, you don't know Ty like that. Like I know Ty. So, you know, with just me knowing me, I feel like let's all grow as a community to that next level. Let's all get out of our own ways. You know, I feel like there's different levels to this shit, especially, you know, where you could go in life. And I got to keep the mask on and shit. You know, everybody got the mask. I'm about to put the joint back on in a second, but it's different levels to where you can go, you know what I'm saying, life, and different levels to where you can grow in life. And all I'm saying is stay focused. You feel me? I'm about to go back to enjoying myself. I'm about to get me something to drink and stuff. I'll probably put in some behind the scenes, just to, you know, sometimes some shit that we was doing here, enjoying ourselves and stuff for this. But hey, it's your boy Ty. Come on, Nee, let's slide. You feel me? You ready? Come on. All right, so I'm about to get on. Let's get it. You feel me? Got the California Adventure roller coaster right there. What's up, Queen? She got a little toy and shit. It's good. Nice. So, you vibrant. So yeah, so it's gonna be my day. You feel me? Just doing this. I'll probably end up going to the beach or something. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna go to the beach. Oh, hey, Zerg was like one of my favorite characters, though, no cap. You know what I'm saying? Speaking about focus, I don't know if y'all can see it, but Zerg was like one of my favorite characters. When Bro came out, I don't know, like, I always like the evil dudes, you know what I'm saying? Because they always feel like, well, really the evil niggas be the smartest ones. They always got these plans. It's like, obviously the writers are gonna let good over per evil, you know what I mean? But nah, they always had the best plans, you feel me? Like all the evil people in Disney, forever had the best plans. They be like, yeah, they a mastermind and shit, and it'd be smooth, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm saying. Like even them, they don't let nobody foil their plans. You tell the evil genius he can't do it. Bro about to prove to you that he can. Hey, come here, Queenie. Queenie, come here. She wanna take a picture, so I'm gonna see y'all later. We're gonna take some pictures, and peace.